Hey guys, it's me, Crazy Honda Chris, in the sales department at Randy Kuehl Honda in Cedar Rapids, Iowa. And here behind me, we're gonna have a 2022 Honda Accord Sport Hybrid. I'm gonna walk around this vehicle to show you guys all the cool standard features and functions, so when you arrive at your local Honda dealership, you know exactly what this vehicle has to save you time before you take it on for a test drive, right? You guys have any questions, you know what to do, drop them down below in the comments. I'll do my best. You guys in the market here around me, here's my number. Give me a call, I'll show you guys how easy it is to join the family, okay? Now let's go get you guys all the information you need to make that well-formed decision now. All right, so here we are, right outside the 2022 Honda Accord Hybrid Sport. This is a new trim here for the lineup for 2022 for the Accord Hybrids. Now, as usual, folks, let's walk up here to the Maroni sticker. You guys are welcome to pause the video right up here, right about now, to explore on your own, okay? Now, up on the top right-hand corner, it's gonna talk about your fuel economy. You got 44 for the city, 41 for the highway with a combined of 43. Down on the right-hand corner, it's gonna talk about your safety ratings. 5 out of 5, who doesn't love that? Where the vehicle's made at, and then the standard features right here, which we're going to try to cover today for you. This color is called Platinum White Pearl. I'm going to also put down some additional colors, and then there's going to be a surplus charge for those particular colors. Remote start comes standard. To use remote start, all you have to do is hit lock, hold this button down here for a few seconds. You'll see the lights flash. It's going to start right up. It's going to heat and cool the vehicle. Doors will remain locked. Runs in 10-minute intervals. You can simply deactivate that by holding this button down here again, then boom, shuts everything right off, all right? All your Honda sensing features come standard. I'm talking about your lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, your forward collision, and road departure. It's standard. You have LED lights all the way around. It includes fog lights, daytime running lights, headlights, and tail lights. Standard, right there. We're gonna have a 2.4 four-cylinder with the ECVT. I'm gonna throw horsepower and torque with the hybrid system right up there for you guys so you know exactly what we're playing around with. Now, from this point, we're gonna point out what's kind of going on in the grille here. It's a little different compared to other trims just because you got darkened chrome action going on right here, and then also right down below. All right, there's some more accent chrome, so that's pretty cool. Right here, the lights flashing is gonna be your turning indicators. As I'm hitting the lock button, so you guys can see that. And then you got your daytime running lights are right down over here. Which is going to be LEDs, it makes kind of a bold statement, kind of aggressive kind of look. We'll step right over here off to the side. You get these nice alloyed rims, 19-inch, a little bit of badge of honor going on, hybrid right there. You have a black finish side mirror, body colored handles. We'll step here towards the side so you can see a little more side profile of the vehicle. From here, I'm going to throw some exterior measurements up there for you guys so you know exactly what the exterior measurements are. All right, we got some chrome action going on right there on the top. It's kind of a nice little black finish along the bottom of the windows, so that's kind of nice. We're also gonna have smart entry with the vehicle, so let's say the car is all locked up, get the key fob in my purse, my jacket, put my hand in the handle, boom. I'm allowed to get in and out without taking this out of my pocket. Then I also can keep it in my pocket. I got my thumb right down here on the ridges, hit that, walk out with confidence knowing that the vehicle's all locked up. Now we also have the walkway auto lock feature, so if it's enabled, simply have the key fob with you as you get out of the vehicle, get away 10 feet away, boom, locks all the doors for you guys, all right? Makes it quick and easy. Now those days of accidentally, leaving my key fob in the car, whoops, for any particular reason, hit the lock button, it automatically is gonna unlock that door for us, all right? We're gonna have a capless gas tank, so when the car's unlocked, simply push the door right in, pops right open, look at that. No longer a $2 cap to argue, debate with, worry about replacing that down the road. Hit the lock button, it won't open. We'll step here towards the back. As we're doing that, you have a nice spoiler, deck spoiler right there, black finished. LED lights, multi-angle rear camera. You got a little badge of honor going on over there again. It's going to be hybrid and sport. A little bit of chrome action going down on the below. We also have a trunk release button right there in your key fob. We're also going to have a trunk release button right here. Plenty of space in there for activities. I'm going to throw cargo volume space right there so you guys will be in the know. And then we're also going to have 60-40 split seats. So right over here, boom and boom, pull these bad boys down so you can accommodate for whatever you're going to be needing for. You got a tire patch kit, emergency funnel, things you may need just in case you get a flat tire. And let's say if I accidentally drop my key fob in there, you cannot lock a key fob in the car. Now, another cool thing about the hybrid, got a nice little blue going around right here. Kind of nice. Just a small detail for you guys. Now let's get here towards the back seat right now. All right, as we're opening this up here, before we dive right in, let's throw some interior measurements in there for you guys. Gotta make sure you have enough room for pets, friends, cargo, family, whoever's gonna be tagging along with you guys. Let's come right over here, check out the side door. Got a nice little trim work going on. You guys got power windows, pretty easy and straightforward. Leather armrest, some additional cubby space. As we come right in here, you got a little bit of leather and cloth kind of going on. Our armrest, nice leather, soft, and then a cup holders right here. Comes standard with carpet mats, no additional charge from American Honda. You have a nice little courtesy pocket right over here. And then, taking around those young whippersnappers, there we go. We got hooks there for the car seats. 3 options, accommodate for wherever you need to. As we step here up front, got a little trim work. Once again, you guys got power windows, power locks, you got your window lock button, mirror selectors left and right, then the D-pad to adjust accordingly. We'll come right down here, you got some additional cubby space, you got your trunk release right there. So we focus on the driver's seat. Up front, same kind of combination going on. Up front, you got your forward, you got your back, you got your up, you got your down. Then you got a little tilt action on the front half, as you can see right there. Recline, and then your lumbar support. Hood release is going to be right here for you folks. You got your pedals. Let's dive right in and start it right up. Just make sure you have the key fob with you as you get in and out of the car. Put your foot down on the brake, hit the start button. All right, we'll come over here on the left-hand side to explore some options now. Now we're gonna have your trip. You got trip A and trip B. You'll see that down on the center. The wheel right next to it to adjust the brightness of your driver's interface screen. You can have your vehicle stability assist, some quick point reference for your Honda sensing right here. You know, some little small programs like your road departure, and then you got your collision mitigation right here. We're gonna have a nice leather wrap steering wheel. It's gonna be adjustable. Hair off to the side. It's gonna be a telescope, so it goes in and out, up and down, go to adjust as you guys see fit. You're gonna have all of your sensing features over here on the right hand side. You have your cruise control. You can tell when that's on by simply right up here. Got that nice little logo up there. You can adjust the speeds from here. You can set your cruise control to as well. You're gonna have your adaptive cruise control right there. So as we get up here on the driver's interface, I can select the distance between us and the car in front of you. So let's say you're going 35, the car in front of you is going 32, finds that car, it will alert you. You turn that on or off, then it will also maintain that distance, all right? So once they get out of the way, you resume back to whatever your cruise control speed was set at. Then the button right here next to it, it's gonna be for your lane keep assist for your highway driving between 45 and 90 miles an hour. Once it finds lines in the road to be filled in white dotted lines for you as a visual confirmation. Once you go out of your lane a little bit, go out, it's gonna beep at you. You can turn that beep on or off, then it also brings you back and recenters you. You may adjust the sensitivity of that or have that off so it won't bring you back, it will just warn you, okay? And right over here, we got some additional stuff. You got your hands free for your phone, pretty nice and easy. Pick up, hang up, hey, voice command, call Crazy Honda Chris on mobile phone. You got your volume controls here, ways to go through your different source of musics, the backup button here when we're playing around in the menu, and then we're back at home. Let's kind of poke around a little bit in here for you guys. If you guys have any questions, feel free to drop them down below in the comments. And may already have a video kind of explain some of this stuff in here for you guys. You get a traffic sign, pretty much finds a road, speed limit sign. It throws it right up there for you guys on the driver's interface. Driver's attention. It's going to tell you when you need to pull over, take a break. There we go. Let's kind of walk around a little bit on the driver's interface. You got your gas tank right over here. Your battery is going to be way over there. Get your speedometer meter. Also right here too as well. Where I'm parked, it's 53 degrees right now. And then you got your little bit graph going on right up here. So pretty much you can see as you're braking, it charges your battery pack. Okay, and you can see the power you're using too as well. That needle right there is going to be fluctuating, going up and down as you're doing your driving. Over here, we're going to have your wipers, adjustable. Then we have auto lights, fog lights, all LED, on and off. Then you have your decelerators from right here. Now from this point, let's kind of go over here towards the touchscreen for you folks. We'll hit the home button. You can pair up multiple phones, pretty nice and easy to do. You got your settings here. You can customize a lot of your vehicle settings for any vehicles, some other options too as well. I have a video for that here later. You have your FM radio. You may hit this button right up there. You can see the options you have for radio. You have FM, AM, Sirius XM is a paid subscription, but you get 3 months of that for free. After that, you have to contact them to continue that. USB. Then you have your Bluetooth and your smartphone connection. It's going to be a wireless smartphone connection. So you have wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto. Just allow all the permissions for Android Auto. And it's simple from that point. You would display like your Apple Maps, Google Maps, other compatible apps right up here from there. The back button, smartphone connection. Pretty much once you got your phone paired, you can use your smartphone connection. You got a little graph right here for your power flow. Gives you a little bit of brief information. We'll show you what's powering the battery, what's driving the wheels, as it teeter-totters between the battery pack and the engine, kind of goes back and forth, all right? Pretty nice to kind of watch that as you drive. Text message functions. Then you got a few other options right over here. You got your time right up top. Got to correct that there. Now let's say this screen bugs you for your day or nighttime driving. It's not a problem. You can tap this button here and you can completely shut it off. Pretty nice and easy. From there, just hit home. It'll bring it back up alive for you, okay? You got some additional little buttons here off to the side. Quick little point for your source. Pretty nice and easy. Volume for your radio. The tuner for the radio. You can find the radio stations. We'll come right down here. You're going to have adjustable vents. You got one way over there. You got these two. Then we're also going to have one right over here. Is that getting you guys motion sickness? Hazard lights. Climate control is going to be right down here below. It's going to be a dual climate. So passenger, driver, fan speed on and off from there. Sync button. Now I have all the power in the world. There we go. AC. You got your rear defroster with heated side mirrors. Front defroster. Your different modes. Let's get a little air in here. I think it's a little hot. Perfect. Then air circulation from right here. Now we'll come right down over here. This is pretty nice and easy to open. Just push right there on the bottom half. You're going to have a 12-volt plug-in, then a couple USBs. Then you have a nice little tray area right down below. We have cup holders here off to the side. You have the push buttons for the shifters. You can't just smack a button. It's going to tell you, hey, you got to apply onto the brakes. So, put your foot down on the brake, put it in drive. You'll see it changes colors. It's going to be green. Then you also get a D right up there to let you know it's in drive. That's not a problem. Reverse is a pull back to you. As you put it into reverse, your multi-angle camera automatically displays. So it's going to show you down here how the camera is going to be acting. All right. So you have a nice 180 view, a straight behind you view, and a straight down shot from your rear bumper view. And all of these views, you can see your bumper. All right. So that's really nice. Now let's say I turn the wheel. Guess what? It goes from yellow to orange to let you know your tires are not in line, and then it guides you where you're going. All right. Now from that point, we're going to put it back in park here. You can have an Econ mode. As you put Econ, smack that button, you see a nice, beautiful green leaf right here in the center to let you know, hey, I'm in Econ. Econ is going to make your gas driving more fuel efficient, most effective for your highway driving. You may see anywhere from 2 to 4 more miles to a gallon, depending on how aggressive you guys are driving, all right? Now keep in mind, those really hot summer days, you got to choose, do you want to be fuel efficient or comfortable? Because it does affect the power of your AC, electrical power, and acceleration power, okay? Doesn't do any additional wear and tear, it just kind of nerves that stuff to give you better fuel economy. You have your EV here to run off your battery. So there you go, it's on. Got a little indicator of a car with EV right there. Click and hold it, and it shuts it off. So then we have a sport mode. As you hit that button in sport, you get a nice little red lights going off to the side. It says sport right there in the center. This will be for your fun performance driving, changing up the gear ratio. If you just feel like getting in trouble. You have an electrical park and brake. You can simply pull that up. You'll see it down over here that it's on to as well. Once we get the camera to focus, come on, there we go. We got brake right down there in the center. Now if I just push that button in, it will now allow me to release that. As it's talking to us, put your foot down on the brake, push that button right in, and then boom, it's gone, okay? You're gonna have a whole brake right here. So if I have my seatbelt on, got the car in drive, every time I get to a complete stop, boom, we're stopped. I can slowly take my foot off the brake because it's going to hold the brake down and tie apply into the gas. It's going to be great for that stop and go traffic. Armrest, got some additional cubby space down over here. This tray comes right out. 12-volt plug-in down there. Be a nice little place to hide my quarters here for my 5-year-old son. We'll take a moment, we'll look at the dashboard here quick for you folks. Glove box, deep enough, challenge accepted, fill it up, forget about whatever's in there. It's going to be lockable. If we can get out of the sun, there we go, you can see it. Guys, thanks again for watching my video. Hopefully it was very helpful to answer all of you guys' questions, but for any particular reason, if I didn't answer your question, drop it down below in the comments. I'll do my best. And once again, guys, thank you for watching. I appreciate your support. We'll see you at the next video. Bye-bye.